Greetings, darlings! It's me, Cookie Darling, and welcome to my first makeup tutorial. I am a performance artist. I do burlesque and I do drag as well. So I just wanted to share with you sort of my go-to performance look when I'm doing a burlesque show. This is my very first makeup tutorial. So it's probably either going to go really good or really bad. We'll see. I don't know. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to start with, I've already shaved my face this morning. Sometimes I shave my face when I do performances, sometimes I don't. Just depends on how I feel for that performance. Let's just go right in. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm just going to kind of rub this all over my face. Now that we are primed, I'm going to go in with the 16-hour e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm just going to use this as my eyeshadow base. So I just apply it on my eyelids, and then I blend it out. A little bit goes a long way, so I actually think I probably just put on too much. But then I blend it out. Oh God, what am I doing? Okay, that blended out, I am going to go in with my crease brush. One thing that I have noticed that really helps for me is that I, for the most part, try to keep my eye open and really get my brush into the crease. Go in with a dark purple, and I'm just using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. So now I just get it really into the crease. So I'm just darkening that up, and then we're going to darken that up with a little bit of black too. So keep going in with the layers. Okay, that's blending out. So now I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, which is just a chunky white eye pencil. So I just use this all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in just with a silver base eyeshadow over the white. Place that sort of all over. So I'm putting on this gray sort of shimmery shadow so that if any of the glitter dries or flakes off, that I have that color underneath. So this is some liquid glitter eyeshadow from e.l.f. I'm going to put this over the gray shadow that I already did. Oh, see, I do really like these. These are nice. It's like, if you ever think that whatever eye look you're doing is not turning out, just put some e.l.f. liquid glitter on it and bam, it'll turn out. I'm actually going to start doing my face now. This is the color correcting e.l.f. stick. So I don't have any of the gray show through my foundation. When I first started doing makeup, I think I used to use red lipstick when I first started doing makeup. I'm going to set that with some AirSpun translucent powder puff. So for foundation, I am using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Sand. You can use a sponge. I do use a sponge. But I do really like this brush. This is an e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. So now that I got that done, now I'm going to go in with some concealer. The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in medium sand, and I have it in light sand. I think I'm going to go with the light sand today. And this is just the 16-hour concealer, it's not the hydrating one. And then I'm just going to put this on all of sort of the high points where like light hits my face. These are just the places where I like putting this. I'm going to take this little sponge, and I love using this sponge because it gets all in the crevices. It looks so pretty. See, this is where it still looks kind of crazy. Oh, this is already making my face itch. So I don't always contour with cream contours. A lot of times we'll just do powder. I think for today we'll do a little bit of cream. I don't like to go too too hard with the contour. And this does kind of look like a lot. And then this will all be blended out. And then I do kind of go along my jaw. If I do contour my nose, I just sort of do it straight across, and then I do it on the sides. You know, makeup is really, you can really just do whatever you want to do. It's all about what you figure out works for your face, works for like what you want to do. So I did go pretty hard on the, oops, yep. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my translucent AirSpun powder and just sort of set a lot of this, and then this will just lock all my makeup into place. Dab that all in. Alright, so now that that's all set, the e.l.f. contour palette, I think I've only used this like once. I just got it, and so I haven't really used it much. So I'm essentially just powdering over all the places where I did the contour. I gotta remember, a little bit of this goes a long way. If you ever feel like you maybe went in too hard on the contour, since I kind of overdid it, you can always go in and soften it up with the translucent powder again. I'm going to take a little bit of the neutral set with from Nye, and I'm just going to use this to do a little bit of baking, this little sponge, to apply it. I'm going to apply this to just the highlighted areas and then leave it on for a couple of minutes. I will do eyeliner. I really like tight lining my eyes. It makes my eyes look so big. So this is the Rimmel Scandalous Eyes. It's a waterproof gel eyeliner. It is so smooth. It blends really well. It's super easy to apply. It's very black. And I will line my lower lash line as well, but I'm gonna wait to do that until I put the color under my eyes. Now we'll do some liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna put this on the top. Sometimes with liquid eyeliner, you just gotta do it and just let it be and not keep messing with it. The more I do it, the less even it's gonna be. Oh yeah, see, there we go. It's coming along. It's coming along. We almost have a look. I'm gonna swipe away some of this neutral set powder. I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna just use the same colors that I used on this upper part of my eye on the lower part. So I did use this pink, and I sometimes like to kind of squint my eye a little bit, and then we'll go in with the purple, the darker purple that I used in my crease. Go through and just sort of blend them together a little bit. I don't actually do much with my eyebrows. I mainly just go in with this brow mascara, and this one is from NYX. Go in and just sort of comb down. I brush it back up. That's all I really do. On to lashes. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Did I get them? Did I get them? Did I get them? This is the Milk. You can't see it, it's worn off, but this is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Oh, see, I love this mascara. All right, now on to lips. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Cherry Skies. And then I also have the lip liner in the same color, Cherry Skies. A really deep red. Alright, now, with all that done, some bronzer and blush. And I am just going to use this e.l.f. angled blush brush, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer. This is from e.l.f. It's their blush palette, and I just kind of use this to warm up the high points of my face. Go down the sides of my nose with this. Kind of fix my hair a little bit. A little bit of blush. So for the blush, I'm actually going to just use this darker Smile, and then just put it on the upper part of my cheeks. I have this flat powder brush, and I like to just take a little bit of powder, of the translucent powder, and then just buff this all over. So I'm just using the e.l.f. highlighter brush, and then this is the Ofra highlighter called Sea Shimmer. It's really, really nice. Super pretty. And I just sort of put it right at my cheekbones and like above, and then just sort of buff it out, and then you can even kind of take it down the middle. I really like highlighting my Cupid's bow. Almost there. Going to go in with my liquid eyeliner, which is from e.l.f., what I used earlier on the top of my eyes, and I do like doing a beauty mark. I think they're super fun and they're just really cute. So I like to do two. I like to do one up on my cheekbone and then one little spot where I have like a little freckle. Alright, go once over. Kind of blend everything out. Kind of feel like I'm forgetting something. With that said, I'm actually very quickly going to put on like a little costume. I'll be right back. And this is the final look. I had a lot of fun doing this tutorial. Stay tuned and thank you for joining. See you next time. Bye, darlings.